Hi everybody, I just wanted to come on here and just show and kind of reveal my brand new Louis Vuitton Agenda PM. I bought this piece maybe about a week ago, and I never thought I was going to own this piece. It wasn't even on my radar or anything. I just saw I just happened to be looking on YouTube, and I saw some videos on this, and I thought this was such a cute piece. Like, I saw people using it, of course, as an agenda, and then I also saw people using it as a wallet, and I thought that was a great idea. So I'm going to show you how I set up my Agenda PM. First of all, I can use this as a wallet, which I thought was a great idea because you do have 3 card places, slots for cards. And in this slip pocket, I don't have anything in there right now. I just have these stickers that my Aunt Michelle sent me from Arizona for Valentine's Day. And I think they're so cute. So I keep those inside just to have a little piece of my family in there. And then I bought this, I guess, what do they call that? Dashboard from Etsy, an Etsy shop. That came out cute, and I'm not planning on using this as a agenda. I'm mostly using this to keep notes, as an address book, and to use as a wallet if I need, and a passport holder, which I think is amazing. So there's the dashboard of that piece, and here we just have I just have these blank pages I got from Filofax, I think it's called. Yeah, I just got these. Sorry, my camera cut off. I'm not sure exactly where I was at, but these are just the blank pages with the lines from Filofax I got on Amazon. And on this next page, this is my address book. This is another dashboard that I got from Etsy. Oops, sorry. I got from Etsy, and I just added some little stickers. Here are some blank pages. I just covered the other ones just for privacy reasons. But yeah, so I have all my addresses in here because I always like to have them written down, just in case I don't have my phone or I need to get something. I don't know. I just think it's a good idea to have it like this as well. And then I bought this. This is just a picture of me and my husband. This is when we went to Las Vegas. This is our first time his first time going to America, really with me. And it's just a picture just to commemorate with, and just some stickers. And this sticker I got from when I bought the dashboards. So we still have that. And you can fit, I believe, 4 cards into this little thing. I just have my tribal ID and just my driver's license inside here. And then I also bought this little thing. I also bought this piece that has a zipper that you can use for cash and coins. I just put $1 and some coins in there just to show what it looks like. Oh, I hope it looks okay. And yep, so that's how that looks. And then I have my passport, which fits comfortably inside this back slip pocket. So I just use a normal pen, and it works out well, and that's how everything looks. It's not too bulky, and I think it works out really well as a wallet. And I actually, what really, I don't know, if you are looking for a wallet, a Vuitton wallet, I know they can be, on the pricey side. I believe right now the Clemence wallet is 390 euro. The Sarah wallet is 490 euro. And the Victorine is 385 euro. Whereas this is just the cover, and you kind of have to purchase all the other little things, which wasn't expensive. I think for the dashboards and all these little inserts, I think I paid less than $20 for, or 20 euro for. But the cover is 280 euro here in France. Ooh, I'm not really sure how much it is in the States, but if you want to use it as a wallet or as an agenda, I think this is a really good option. I think this is a really good option. I like the look of it. I was able to use it a few times when we went out, but I'm just not sure if I'm going to keep this piece or not. I have a little bit of time to think about it, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I mean, it's a really great idea to use as a wallet. I think so, because you have all these options to, you can take things in and out, whether you need it or not. I think it looks really, really good. I think it's cute. But yeah, like as a as a wallet, it's really cute, and I think it just looks cute, like as like to hold like in your hand or wherever. But yeah, so yeah, so I kind of just bought this like on a whim because I think these are really hard to find from what I I I kind of researched it after I bought it, but I guess these are hard to find, I think. And it just happened that one day, that like when I was thinking about it, that it just popped up on the website, and there it was. So I went ahead and just purchased it without really thinking about it or thinking, thinking about it too much. Ooh, it is a little, hard to close just because it has all that stuff inside. I probably would normally take out this part because it's this zipper part that's causing it to like be very bulky. But see, it's hard to close, but it will close. But yeah, so I think this is a great option. So, but I don't know, because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. But yeah, so I thought I'd just do a quick review, not review of, just a little rundown of this item. But again, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. Yeah, 280. I keep thinking about different things. I was like, well, I spent 175 on a bandeau, like, and then I was thinking that like the Victorine wallet is like 385. So I'm just like 280. That's, I don't know. It doesn't sound too bad. I don't know. I don't know. I really do like it, but am I really going to use it? I don't know. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think below. But yeah, so I thought I'd just jump on real fast and show a quick review of that. So yeah, this is the Agenda PM. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody is safe, and I hope everybody is happy. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.